Okay, so I don't know if it's such a good idea for me to be doing a video at about 11 p.m. on a Sunday night, but I'm gonna just go for it. Anyway, this is a unboxing of the May 2018 Birchbox, and I have a bit of a attachment to Birchbox. This was my first subscription box ever, and it got me into this whole slew of other subscription boxes, and that's where my addiction started with subscriptions. Started with Birchbox. Lately I haven't been that happy with the products. You're able to fill out a profile, you're able to review each month, each product each month, and it just doesn't seem to be making a difference. But it is $10 a month, and you do get 5 sample sizes. Sometimes you'll get an extra thrown in every now and then, but you know, it's one of those that it's just kind of not so exciting to me anymore. I feel like my Ipsy's more exciting, my Boxycharm and all those other boxes. Birchbox is just something that I hold on to for the $10 a month, and I just hope that the next month is going to be better. But I don't know, what are you going to do, right? But you do get points each purchase. If you make a purchase on the Birchbox shop, you do get points, as well as your subscription month. When your charge goes through for the month, you get some points. I'm not sure exactly, but anyway, they do offer some really good perks, and I do like that a lot. But let's get into our Birchbox, my Birchbox. And anyway, let's open this up. So, and when you open up the box, it always has, it looks like this, and it has a pamphlet on the top. It doesn't have any kind of tissue paper or anything. It's just the pamphlet on the top. And there's always some kind of theme, like every other month. And on one side, it'll give you the theme, which it says soak in the sunshine. And it gives you some tips and pointers. Get your yearly checkup, find the right SPF, do regular self-exams, apply sunscreen generously, and it says embrace the warmer weather safely with these sun protection pointers. And there's always, each month there's always something different where you can read. And then on the other side, it does give you the list of products with the full-size prices, which I like, as well as a quick description. Oh, and here we go. This is the loyalty program on the bottom. This is what I was saying. You do get, for every dollar you spend on Birchbox.com, you automatically get 10 loyalty points. So you get 10% back. And when you spend $50 or more, standard shipping is free. If you become a VIP, which is what I am, you always get free shipping. So you have to spend a certain amount of money to get that title. But I like that you get these points that, you know, you can use. So say example, if you get your 10% back, so for this box, that's $10. Because I'm an ace, that's what it's called, an ace, I get a little bit more. It's 1.5%, I believe. So that's like $1.60 it is, $1.50 that I get back. And when it accumulates, like I had $25 to use, you can buy a product and then take that money off at the end. You know, you can save it up as much as you want, or you can take the money off of a product you want to buy. So that's always really nice. So that's another reason why I like Birchbox. But okay, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna get to the worst first because I'm just not. I do not like. Let's reword that. It's not that I don't like. I just been getting shampoo and conditioners way too much lately. Between packets and bottles, I'm just on shampoo conditioner overload. I don't like that when you are getting 5 samples in a box, that they make the shampoo and conditioner count as 2 separate samples. I feel like if you're using it together and it's meant to be used together, it should count as 1. That's my opinion. That's just how I feel, because you know, now I have the shampoo and conditioner, and then there's only 3 little tiny products left, and that's why I've been feeling like this. I did do my review on these products, and then I don't know, sometimes it disappears, like they don't like it, and then I have to redo the whole thing. But with the review, when you first get your box and then you can review your products, it's not just where you can type in a review. You could actually, it asks you some questions like, have you ever heard of this brand? Do you like this brand? So it helps, it's supposed to help decide on your future purchases. But all right, I'm done ranting, I'm sorry. Anyway, this is the Matrix Total Results shampoo and conditioner. So that's the shampoo. And this is the conditioner. I don't really, it says it has shea butter in it and it's shampoo for smoothness, conditioner, same thing, for smoothness. I don't really, I get an oily scalp sometimes, and I don't know if shea butter is gonna weigh my hair down. Matrix is something I've used before. It's something you can get at a salon, and it's just not, I'm not so like, ooh, like it's whey or something. But let's smell it. This bottle, ooh. All right, so it's a little different. I don't know whether you're supposed to pull this or it's a very strange clicky type, but you have to twist it. I don't understand this. I don't get it. Okay, anyway, when you do that, it gets all over the place. It smells okay. It reminds me of a hotel shampoo. That's what it smells like one of those little hotel shampoos. That's what it smells like. And, okay, up my nose. It says on here that the full size is $12 as well as the conditioner. The conditioner is also $12 for the full size. And the shampoo, it says, out of control frizz and flyaways are no match for this shea butter packed shampoo. The innovative formula seals the cuticle and makes hair luxuriously silky smooth. And for the conditioner, it says, time to start practicing your shoulder toss. This conditioner made with ultra hydrating shea butter tames frizz and leaves your hair looking shiny and sleek. This doesn't fit my profile at all. I put that I have oily hair and I have thick hair. This just really didn't fit. So I like had to retweak my profile. Anyway, that's what this is sample 1 and 2. Not my favorite. Okay, the next thing, which is my sample choice, because another thing with Birchbox is that you can actually they give you some options. You can pick the curated box, which is a box and they do show you what it is ahead of time. You get spoilers. It's a box that already has 5 products that are chosen for that month, and you can pick that curated box and get those products. Or you get a choice of 3 products. They'll give you, usually it's a makeup item or a hair care. That's what I've noticed, hair care. I don't remember what the sample choices were other than the one I picked. I know that one I think was a hair care item. I don't remember really, and I think one I had. So the one that I picked for this month is a Birchbox brand. Actually, they are, it's a brand like exclusive to Birchbox, and it is called Love of Color. That's the name of the brand. So LOC is the abbreviation. And this is the One and Done Shadow Stick. And the color is called Heavy Petal. That's what the color is. And basically, I have 2 of these that I've gotten from Birchbox in 2 different colors, and I love them. I really do. So when I saw this, I said, I don't have this color. I'll choose this. That's what the stick. You could actually sharpen this as well when you get to the bottom, because you can sharpen it. It is for the full size, which is, I don't think is much bigger than this. I don't know, but the full size is $10, so that's reasonable. It says this waterproof shadow stick is This waterproof shadow stick in a versatile light rose gold shade delivers up to 11 hours of creaseless color. No brushes, blenders, or primers needed. I mean, I still put eyeshadow primer on and stuff, and I still blend it a little bit, but you don't really need to. Look how pretty that is. I think that's such a pretty color. And it's very, very silky and very smooth. And you can blend it if you want to. See how easy that was? I mean, if you want to blend it, you can. And that was, I mean, it's almost like a highlighter. It reminds me of it's blending that easy that I feel like I can use this as a highlighter on my skin. I have so many highlighters that I don't need to, but I feel like you can. Look at that. Anyway, I thought this was a very pretty color, so this was the choice, the sample choice that I picked. Okay, so the other two products I got are new to me, and I've never tried them. I heard of them, never tried them, so I'm like, okay, these two, all right. The first one is the Odessi New York, and I think it's pronounced, yeah, it says Kupuwasu Butter Lip Balm, and it comes in a little box like this, okay? And it does say the full size is $24 for lip balm. It says no need to know how to say Kupuwasu, Kupuwasu, FYI. But you should know that this lip butter seals in 240% more water than the average balm, leaving lips super supple. Oh, maybe. Oh, look how cute this is. This little sample size, and it's I mean, it's pretty. Look how cute. It's cute packaging. It's small. It's good for like your bag and your purse, and it does have a I think it's a shea butter core. So it has just I believe it's just very it doesn't give you much color on your lips, so it's a balm. It's not like a high pigment thing. No, not at all. It's let's see. It's very buttery. My lips are really chapped right now too, so. I like it. It has a slight scent, nothing too crazy. I think this is great for me. Oh my goodness. I have so many lip balms. I don't need another one, but they are always good to have. Oh, I'll keep them everywhere. And this one is nice. It's very, it does feel moisturizing. So I don't think I'd buy the full size, but it's nice to try out and to see how long this lasts. And, oh, and also just to, you know, FYI, it says the center core is infused with cold-pressed Kupuwasu butter from the rainforest that is capable of attracting up to 240% more water to the lips. It says phytosterols heal, hydrate, and combat free radicals. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, EU compliant. So that's pretty nice. And it feels really nice. And so again, that's what the outside packaging looks like. And it has, you know, the ingredients as well. Anyway, the last but not least, this is actually the product I was most excited to try, is the Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. I have been wanting to try this for a long time, but the full size is $85. And I just, for one product, that's, I just can't do that. So, not now. I can say though that this is, it seemed like it was pretty full size. I mean, it seemed like it was full. I'm putting it up against the light, but I think it has just a little space. So I think you can get maybe, I don't know, a few uses out of this. But anyway, this says the serum means business. It combines vitamin C and E plus a blend of antioxidants to fade dark spots, tighten pores, and plump skin. So I've been wanting to try this Sunday Riley for a while. I do I even own anything Sunday Riley? I might, I don't know. But it says on the back that this hydrated antioxidant formula instantly illuminates the complexion with bright radiance with 15% advanced photostable vitamin C. CEO serum is targeted to quickly fight the look of dullness, dark spots, and discolorations at the source while diminishing signs of aging. Skin looks and feels firmer and plumper as youthful skin bounce and even tone are restored. And it says apply to clean skin morning or night. I would definitely use this at night. I have to watch what I use during the day because I do get, especially in the summertime when the weather gets warmer, my skin gets much more oily. I'm not wearing any makeup right now, so don't mind it. But I do get oily, and I do tend to have these hormonal jawline breakouts, which are so annoying. But I do have combo on the cheeks sometimes, but my skin's been very strange lately. But I have a very simple regimen in the morning, so this would be at night. And so when you open it, it does have a safety seal. So if you're looking to swap this, it does have a seal. But I am going to open it because I'm sure I'll be using this right away. Okay, let's see. Okay, I just want to use a little bit because I don't want to waste it. But let's just see. Ooh, oh man. Okay. Anyway, I shook it and then it went over here. So let's put it there. All right. So it's like a white, it's white and ooh, it feels nice. Now I forgot I tested the eyeshadow. Absorbs really quickly, and oh, it smells like oranges. It's very citrusy. Oh, I love it. Vitamin C, I guess, you know. Citrusy. Absorbs really nice, and even I put it on the side where I didn't test the eyeshadow, and it brightened that side up significantly. So I guess you get what you pay for, and for 85 bucks, it better take my dark spots away. So that's it. So anyway, that was my Birchbox for May. Like I said, very overwhelmed. If I would have gotten these three, let me take this up. If I would have gotten these three and then 2 different products, I would have been really happy because I picked the eyeshadow myself, and then these other 2 fit my profile pretty well. And this lip balm is actually, it really hydrated my lips. So I'm very happy with these 3, but if I didn't get this 2, I would have been much more happier. So hopefully next month, Birchbox will listen to the reviews, the profile, and maybe, hopefully June will be better. Doesn't really make sense to let them know or ask them about, you know, products, because I tried that once and they said there's really nothing they can do. So I'm not going to do that again. Anyway, thank you for watching, and subscribe to this channel so that you can see more unboxings. I do a lot. Well, I will be, because I get my Ipsys and my Boxycharms and all that good stuff. I'll be doing a little mini Sephora haul, and if I get to 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will if I get there. So spread the word and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.